call these speed loaders. I put a cap and a ball and powder in these, so I just carry it in my pocket, so I don't have to go out and do the whole thing by hand. I call these a quick usually when you're shooting, you put that in a powder horn. But I don't have my powder horn loaded up.
So that was the measure?
Yeah, I measured out 80 grains of black powder. The weight of the barrel of this rifle weighs 10 pounds, so it makes it real easy to shoot accurately. Put the powder in, tap it. Can you hand me my ball starter? I had it in my pocket. This is a ball starter. I use it to start the ball down the barrel. Take my ramrod, bring it down. Can you imagine having to fight a war with these? They use these in the Civil War. You have to stand there while you're getting shot at and reload your rifle.
And
I'm going to go ahead and cap it.
Wait.
This cap is a primer. It goes over the nipple. Bent it. Bring it back on half cock. You go ahead and pull the hammer back. Set it on. Buffalo drop, first shot.